on reading and writing.
So when we did in classroom this evening, we were reading this book for a couple of weeks. It was called Dear Mr. Henshaw. Then she made us do a project on it, and this is what the project looks like. So the major conflict is basically it shows about like the problem of the book. Then what we did for our favorite scene was when we read the book. When we read the whole book, Miss Hazen told us to pick out our favorite scene, so we wrote about it. And mine was the part where he filled a water in his lunchbox and it went off. And this was the main character, and she told us to do how two character traits, and how he was feeling during the middle and the beginning of the book. And our important scene was the part that we thought it was important, and I thought the important scene was someone's trying to steal his lunch because it's not fair for someone stealing his lunch and food taxes.
This is the book that we read about, Dear Mr. Henshaw, and this is the important scene. This is what was important to us that we didn't know in the book. And this was my favorite scene on when dad. And this is what happened. There was a problem in Dear Mr. Henshaw, and this was the main character that was talking about me.
So this is a book that we've been reading. We finished it a couple weeks ago, and it's called Dear Mr. Henshaw, and we did a project on it. So here's the important scene. The important scene means it's like something important that happened. The major conflict means something that's like the problem, like something happened that was bad. And then my favorite scene was when he knew about that his dad was with another woman in his house. And then the main character is basically the person that was mostly in the whole book. And that's all that I did in my project.
This is my book about Dear Mr. Henshaw. This is the important scene. It's the scene that I thought was most important in the book. This is my favorite scene, which is my favorite part of the book. This is the major conflict, which means that the problem, and this is the main character, which was the person that's the main person in the book.
This is what we did when we read Dear Mr. Henshaw. We all read the whole book, and this is the main character about him and how and his character traits and what he did, I think.
We did, in Hazen's class, we did Dear Mr. Henshaw, and we already finished the book, and this is my favorite part when me and his friend had dinner with his friend.
In Miss Hazen's classroom, we like to do a lot of projects. And one of our projects that we're working on is biographies. We've also learned about many other types of genres of books. Miss Hazen also put us in groups based on our levels, so it's easier for us. It's better for us in our reading.
We're reading these biographies because right now in this period of learning, we are learning about biographies.
And there are two types of biographies. There are regular biographies, which are made by other people talking about a historical person, and an autobiography who is talking about themselves.
This is our writing process. First, we do rewriting, which is making our storyboard, and then we do our drafting. Our rough draft, we skip lines to make edit, use cups, capitalize, usage, punctuation, and spelling. And then for revising, we use arms.